Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics, and this is for vectors and mechanics. Okay, now let's get started. It reads: given vectors, you are given vector A as 2i plus 3j, and B given as I minus 4j. Find Roman 1 the magnitude of A plus B. Roman 2 the angle between the vectors A and B. Let's get started. Solution. Now, since we are given the vector of A as 2i plus 3j, now this also can be represented as 2, 3. We know this is I and this is j also. Okay. Now, similarly, vector B, we are given as I minus 4j. It can also be represented as 1 minus 4. This is I and this is j. Okay. Now, from this point, remember, we have to find the magnitude of A plus B. Now, before finding the magnitude of A plus B, let's just try to add A plus B first. Now, adding A plus B, we have 2, 3 plus B. That's 1 minus 4. Now, adding these two vectors becomes 2 plus 1. This is 2 plus 1. Then we have 3 minus 4. We add the corresponding term, this and this. We add this and this also. Then this becomes, this is 3 minus 1. Okay. Now this is we have added the vector of A and B, which results us to 3 and minus 1. But remember, the question says we have to find the magnitude of A plus B. Now, to find the magnitude of A plus B, see now the magnitude, this also represents magnitude of A plus B. To find the magnitude of A plus B, we say this becomes the square root of x squared plus y squared. This is the formula that you have to use. Then from this point, we substitute right away. Remember, this is x and this is y. Substitute right away from this point. We have this become the square root of, what is x? We know x is given as 3 square plus, what is y? And we know y is given as minus 1 square. Okay. Then this is equal the square root of 3 square, it is 9, and minus 1 square, it is 10. It is 1. Okay. Then this is equal the square root of 10. So it means the magnitude of A plus B becomes root 10. Okay. So this is the magnitude of A plus B that we have to find. That is for Roman A. Now let's look at Roman 2. We want to find Roman 2. Now Roman 2 says we have to find the angle between the vectors A and B. Now to find the angle, we say finding angle. We say recall that. Finding angle, we say recalls that. Recall that we have the dot product of AB. This is equals the magnitude of A multiplied by the magnitude of B, then cos theta. So this is the formula that you have to use for you to find the angle between. Now this is the angle that we have to find. Now this is the magnitude of, this is magnitude of A, this is magnitude of B, and this is the product, the dot product of AB. Now what are we to do here? We just need to find the dot product of AB, the magnitude of A and the magnitude of B. Then we substitute now for us to have the angle between A and B. Let's go. Now to find the product of AB, this becomes, remember we have A already given as, this is A, this is B. We are giving it as 2, 3, and multiplying by B is given as 1, minus 4. Okay, now to multiply this one, multiplying this one automatically, we are going to have, we say 2 times 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times minus 4 giving you minus 12. Then this is giving us as minus 10. So it means the magnitude or the dot product of AB becomes minus 10. Okay, just multiply this and this also multiplied by this for it to have this. Okay, now let's find the magnitude of vector A. Now similar, I want to find the magnitude of vector A. This becomes Remember, this is the formula. We say the square root of x square plus y square. This is equal the square root of, what is x? Remember, this is x and this is y. That is 2 square plus 3 square. This is equal the square root of, what is 2 square? This is 4 plus 3 square, it is 9. Okay, this is equal the square root of 4 plus 9 giving you as root 13. Okay, so this is the magnitude of A. Remember, this is just what we just find. Let's find also B. Similarly, we say the magnitude of B, then this becomes the square root, the same thing, the square root of x square plus y square. Okay, we substitute again the square root of, what is, remember, and this is x, this is y. We say 1 square plus into minus 4 square. So this becomes the square root of 1 square, it is 1 plus 4 square, it is 16. Okay, so this is equal to the square root of 1 plus 16, it is 17. So it means the magnitude of B given you as root 17. Finally, now say finally, we just need to substitute what we have inside this formula for us to have this angle. Remember, we know we have the dot product of AB is equals the magnitude of A multiplied by the magnitude of B cos theta. Now everything is given now. This is given as minus 10. This is equals. This one is given as root 13 multiplied by, this is given as root 17. Then multiplied by cos theta. So let's just, now from this point we divide everything, or if we want, let's just multiply here first. Okay, we have minus 10 is equals root 13 times root 17, meaning 13 times 17, 13 times 17 giving you root 221. Okay, cos theta. Now we divide. Now let's divide both sides by root 221. We divide side by root 221. Okay, so this goes. Now let's say it continues from this point. Now we have cos theta is equals, what remains is minus 10 divided by root 221. Okay, now we have cos theta, this is equals minus 10 divided by root 221. Root 221 giving you as 14 points. We have 14.866. Okay, then let's divide. Now we have cos theta, then becomes minus 10 divided by, now we have minus 10 divided by 14.866. We have minus 0.6726. Okay, but now we want to find the angle. Then we say the angle then becomes the cos inverse of minus 0.6726. Now therefore the angle that we have to find automatically becomes the cos inverse becomes 132.3 degree. So this is the angle that we have to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.